Hey folks, your buddy Adam here. Just want to thank you for joining us and tell you that we've got this. It's my Jeep. This is a 1995 Jeep, and yeah, we have battery issues with it. It's probably well overdue to replace the battery. It sits here a little too much. But fortunately, we have the new GS500. This is a jump starter that you're going to love. It comes with powerful alligator clamps, a beautiful case for storage, and you know what? We absolutely love this fantastic device that I know you're going to love as well. So it's time, we're going to go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So folks, something I love about this is the ease of use and how powerful and lightweight this jump starter is. At 88.8 watt hours, they've really made a powerful jump starter that you're going to be able to leave in your vehicle literally for months without having to worry about charging. It charges with USB, and on top of that, it has USB A and C, so you can charge your phone very easily and efficiently. Now, it does come with a beautiful LED light and a beautiful screen, so you can see the power remaining. And yeah, to hook it up, it's just positive and negative. Press it, it'll give you a light indicating it's time to go. And now we're going to go ahead and start our vehicle. All right, folks, so now it's time to go around and give the car a quick jump start. You can see it's been sitting here for a while, but fortunately, this is a very powerful jump starter. The seats are a little wet because it's been sitting here so long. There we go. And a nice thing about this is that this will jump start just about any engine. You could have a big diesel engine, you could have your 5.0 Mustang or your 1990s Jeep, and you're going to be able to turn it over relatively quickly. And then once you do that, you can just let the alternator do its job. Very easy and convenient. So we're very happy with this product and very happy with how quickly it's able to save the day. Now, I highly recommend that you get one, put it in your glove box, put it in a compartment somewhere in your vehicle to make sure that you're always safe. Get one for every car and every member of the family. Not only will it charge the car, but you can charge your phone or your peripheral devices as well. And folks, we'll show you even more in the up close portion of the video, but I love how powerful these alligator style clamps are and the fact that they've given you a very impressive carrying case and all the accessories you need to charge it quickly and efficiently. You're able to charge this in just a couple hours, and then you can leave it in your vehicle for months at a time. It is a must-have for safety and security. They provided all the protections to make sure that your vehicle is running right every time. With that being said, I highly recommend that you go pick one up. This is a preferred and elite brand. I want to give a big shout out to these folks for sponsoring this video and helping us through the day. They have helped us so many times. They have practically a 0 defect rate, which makes me very proud to work with them. And one last thing, we're going to show you the LED light before the up close portion of the video that gives you an opportunity to go ahead and pick it up and put it in your cart. On behalf of 911 Studios, I'm Adam. On behalf of Watson's Reviews, thank you so much for joining us. We love you, we appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. And folks, before we move on to the up close portion of the video, I do want to show you how powerful and bright that LED light is, the option for the SOS mode, the strobe light. This thing is truly fantastic. All right, folks. Now it's our time for the up close portion of the video where you get to see this product, the boxing, and everything else up close and personal. We put this at the end of the video so you have a moment to go ahead and click through and put this in your cart. Yeah, how exciting is that? Now, it's the GS500. It's a jump starter, and yeah, they've really outdone themselves with this 88.8 watt hour with a 12 volt starting voltage, a peak current of 5,000 amps, and this is 5 volt 3 amp. Yeah, so really fantastic. It has everything to make sure that you get your car jump started every single time. And for all intents and purposes, my belief is that this will jumpstart pretty much any vehicle on the planet. You're not going to have to worry about it. If you drive the car, it's going to get jump started with this device. Now, the device itself is handheld and it's significantly lighter weight. It is about the size of my hand, and it's much more lightweight than previous models in the past. A beautiful LED screen. Okay, there's your LED light, and let's peel that back together. How ultra satisfying is it to peel off that? All right, folks, so we have the light itself, a very bright light. Strobe light, SOS mode, all available. Now that strobe light is going to be great if you break down at night. Go put this out behind your car and let people know you're there, particularly if you're on the highway in a dark area, just to give them a warning that there's going to be a broke down car. And this is going to run for hours. Now right here is where you're going to insert the jumper cables, which are included. But as an addition, dual USB-A and a USB-C for charging and for charging things like your phone. How nice is that? All right, now when we look at the device itself, it's going to have some color-coded LED lights on it to let you know you're ready to charge. And I got to show you these alligator-style clamps here. These big mouth clamps. You're going to have no problem getting a grip on your terminals, right and left. And yeah, this is truly fantastic. So on top of all of that, they have included the USB-A to C for charging easily, just like a cell phone. You charge this just like a cell phone, and the handy carrying case that you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in your driving, say your glove box or your trunk. I like to pull back the upholstery in the trunk, put it on the side of the trunk where there's a little extra space, and then have it for emergencies. Okay, and that's a nice material where it's not going to get damaged with a high quality zipper. I always say you can tell the quality of a product by the quality of the zipper, if they've gone the extra mile, which they have. Now you also have the user manual, multi-function jumpstart user manual that will show you. Connect your negative, then your positive. You're good to go. This thing will start up in a jiffy, whether that's your Jeep, your Mustang, your BMW, or your Toyota. This is going to work pretty much universally with whatever type of vehicle you are using. And yeah, it says friendly tips. Thanks for choosing the brand. They have a 24-month WARRANTY, and they will extend it for 1 year. Wow. If, yeah, you sign up. So very nice, very nice. So 1 year plus 1 year, 2 years. Very nice there. They've just done a great job, and you can see they've made this kind of impact resistant, a nice LED light, easy to control, easy to read, and that piano black finish makes it fantastic. All right, folks, now that you've had a chance to go ahead and pick this up, put it in your cart, it's time to go ahead and get one. We're going to give you, look at that, that could be a great thumbnail. All right, folks, go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. I love you guys, but get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. I love you.